Hello students, a very good afternoon to everyone. This is the beautiful world of science and technology. I welcome you all for the next session of periodic classification of elements. So in the chapter already we discussed Dominatrides, Newland's Octave's law, Mendeleev's law and statement of modern periodic law. So now in this session we are going to study about the structure of a modern periodic table. तो आज के सेशन में हमें क्या डिस्कशन कर लेना है, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल एंड व्हाट आर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल एंड द मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल, difference between periods and groups, difference between transition element and the inner transition element, difference between S block element and the E block element. तो इस सेशन में कुछ डिफरेंस बिटवीन के बारे में हमें क्या है डिस्कशन कर लेना है. So let's start today's session. Structure of a modern periodic table. The last session already we discussed the स्टेटमेंट ऑफ मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल. पिछले सेशन में हमने स्टेटमेंट के बारे में डिस्कशन किया है. अब हम डिस्कशन कर लेंगे स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल. द मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल contains 7 horizontal rows called as the periods 1 to 7. Now see, the modern periodic table contains 7 horizontal rows called the periods 1 to 7. Listen, तो मॉडर्न पीरियड टेबल के टेबल में क्या बोलते हो, 7 क्या है, हॉरिजॉन्टल क्या है, वो से 1 to 7. Similarly, the 18 vertical column are the groups 1 to 8. So there are totally 18 vertical columns from 1 to 18. Listen, the modern periodic table contains 7 horizontal rows called the periods from 1 to 7. Similarly, the 18 vertical columns are the groups 1 to 8. जो 18 vertical columns से उनको क्या अलग ग्रुप में क्या है डिवाइड किए सो है from number 1 to 18. The arrangement of the periods and the groups results into formation of boxes. Now, the arrangement of periods and the groups result in the formation of boxes. Atomic number are serially indicated in the upper part of these boxes. Now, atomic number of each elements is indicated on the upper side of the each box. तो हर एक बॉक्स में ऊपर के इसमें साइड में उनको क्या उनका हर एक एलिमेंट्स का क्या है एटॉमिक नंबर क्या है इंडिकेट किया है. Each box corresponds to the place for one element. हर एक एलिमेंट्स के लिए हर एक बॉक्स क्या उसमें बना है. सो apart from these 7 rows, 2 rows are shown separately at the bottom of the periodic table. जो अपने 7 rows है उसमें क्या बोलते हो, जो 2 rows है सेपरेटली एट द बॉटम ऑफ द पीरियोडिक टेबल. तो दो rows रहेंगे वो क्या बोलते हो सेपरेटली क्या है बॉटम साइड में क्या है लिखा है. Now see, write down, लिख लीजिए. The modern periodic table, the modern periodic table contains 7 horizontal rows called the periods, called the periods 1 to 7. This one similarly the 18 vertical columns are the groups 1 to 8. तो क्या है 18 वर्टिकल कॉलम्स है फ्रॉम 1 to 18. The arrangement of the periods and groups results into formation of boxes. Yes, now atomic number are atomic numbers are serially indicated in the upper part of these boxes. Each box corresponds to the place for one element. Apart from these 7 rows, two rows are shown separately at the bottom of the periodic table. Listen. Now see next one point. These are called lanthanide and actinide series respectively. Now see, इनको क्या कहता है तो apart from these 7 rows, 2 rows separately at the bottom. जो 2 rows है उनको क्या है separately model periodic में दिखाए सो उनको क्या कहा जाता है? This is called as the lanthanide series and the actinide series. तो 2 separately rows वहाँ पर दिखाए सो है at the bottom of the model periodic table. So these are called as the lanthanide series and the actinide series. Let's now see, there are 118 boxes in the periodic table including the 2 series. Now see, there are totally 118 boxes in the model periodic table including the 2 series. तो वहाँ पर क्या होता है टोटली 118 एलिमेंट्स के क्या है अलग अलग बॉक्सेस है और वो क्या है 2 सीरीज में है. Now see, it means that there are 118 places for elements in the model periodic table. तो क्या होता है लगभग कितने proper places है वो तो nearby 118 places in a model periodic table. The model periodic table is now completely filled, means all the 18 elements are now discovered. मॉडल periodic टेबल में जब ऑल प्लेसेस बॉक्सेस में सभी एलिमेंट्स को प्लेस देने के बाद ऐसे मालूम होता है कि अब तक क्या बोलते हैं ओनली 118 एलिमेंट्स ही क्या है डिस्कवर हुए. The entire periodic table is divided into the 4 blocks. Now see, the modern periodic tables are divided into the 4 blocks. One is now see S block, P block, D block, and the F block. The modern periodic tables are divided into the 4 blocks. One is S, P, D, F. तो मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल को 4 ब्लॉक में क्या है डिवाइड किया सो है. एक है एस ब्लॉक, नेक्स्ट वन है बी ब्लॉक, डी ब्लॉक एंड द एफ ब्लॉक. एस पी डी एफ. नाउ सी द एस ब्लॉक कंटेन द ग्रुप 1 and 2 एलिमेंट्स. नाउ सी इस ब्लॉक में ग्रुप 1 और 2 क्या रहेंगे एलिमेंट्स रहेंगे. The group 13 to 18 constitute the P block elements. P blocks में क्या होता है group 13 to 18 elements रहेंगे. The groups 13 to 12 constitute the D block elements. The D block elements are called as the transition elements. Now the group 3 to 12 constitute the D block elements and the D block elements are called as the transition elements. उसको क्या कहा था? It is called as the transition element. The lanthanide and the actinide series at the bottom from the F block. जो lanthanide actinide series है modern periodic table के bottom side में, उसको क्या कहा जाता है? It is called as the F block elements. A zigzag line can be drawn into the P block of the periodic table. तो जो zigzag line है periodic table में, वो कहाँ पर है? तो in the P block में. The metalloids elements lie on the border of the zigzag line. तो जो metalloids है वो किसकी बॉर्डर के ऊपर है? वो तो zigzag लाइन के बॉर्डर के ऊपर वो नजर आती है. All the metals lie on the left side of the zigzag lines, while the non-metals are on the right side. zigzag line है P block elements की वजह से all the elements क्या बोलते उसके क्या है? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है और नॉन मेटल्स क्या है? बोलो तो राइट हैंड साइड में है. Addition, all the metals lie on the left hand side of the zigzag line and all the non-metals on the right hand side of the zigzag line. Listen, it's the structure of a modern periodic table. So, remaining points. तो remaining points लिख लीजिए. Next, the remaining points. Proceed. Next point. These are called lanthanide series and actinide series respectively. Next, now see, there are 18 boxes in the periodic table. Including the two series. Including the two series. The modern periodic table. Table is now completely filled. Filled means all the 118 elements are now discovered. The entire periodic table is divided into the 4 blocks. The entire periodic table is divided into divided into 4 blocks. S block, P block, D block, and F block. And F block. Next point. This block contains S block contains the groups first and second elements. The groups first and second. Next now the groups 13 to 18 constitute to the P block element. The groups 3 to 12 constitute the P block element. The lanthanide and actinide series at the bottom from F block elements. Now see the remaining points. It's the very big question. ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा बहुत बड़ा है. Here are the maximum points. Maybe in exam asking for 4 marks. एक क्वेश्चन आपको एग्जाम में 4 मार्क के लिए पूछा जा सकता है. Explain the structure of a modern periodic table. The next point, the zigzag line can be drawn in the P block of the periodic table. The metalloids elements lie along the border of this zigzag line. All the metals lie on the left side of the zigzag line while all the non-metals lie on the right side. So it's a structure of a modern periodic table. अब तक जो हमने डिस्कशन किया इसके बारे में डिस्कस करूंगा. Now sorry, this is the structure of a modern periodic table. Understand? Now the next one concept, difference between Mendeleev's periodic table and the modern periodic table. अब हम डिस्कशन कर लेंगे difference between modern periodic table and the Mendeleev's periodic table. Next, now see what are the difference between Martini periodic table and the Mendeleev's periodic table. Next one question. Difference between Mendeleev's periodic table first one difference between Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table and modern periodic table. Modern periodic table. Now see what are the difference between these two tables. One is a Mendeleev periodic table and next one is a modern periodic table. This table is based on the atomic mass of the elements. Now see. Mendeleev's periodic table based on the atomic mass number of the elements and modern periodic table based on the atomic number of the elements. ध्यान में रखिए Mendeleev's periodic table based on the atomic mass number of the elements and modern periodic table based on the atomic number of the elements. Understand? A table किसके बेस के ऊपर आधार के ऊपर है बोलो तो एटॉमिक मास नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स और ये टेबल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स. फर्स्ट पॉइंट लिखिए दिस table is based on the atomic mass of the elements. Now see, this table is based on the atomic number of the elements. This table is based on the atomic number of the elements. Now see. Next one. Elements are arranged in increasing order of their mass and elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic number. Now see. All the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic mass number and all the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic number. जितने भी मेंडलवी ने एलिमेंट्स को क्या किया उन्हें मॉडर्न पीरियड टेबल में बिठाया था मेंडलीव पीरियड टेबल में किसके आधार के ऊपर बोलो तो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर एटॉमिक मासेस और यहाँ पर क्या है इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर एटॉमिक नंबर. लिखिए एलिमेंट्स आर arranged in increasing order of their mass understand. So elements are arranged in increasing order of their mass and elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic number. Let's now see. Mendeleev's periodic table consists of only 63 elements. तो Mendeleev's की periodic table में कितने elements थे? Only 63 elements and modern periodic table consists of 118 elements. लिखिए now see Mendeleev's periodic table consists of 63 elements. modern periodic table consists of 118 elements. Listen, modern periodic table consists of 63 elements, and Mendel's periodic table consists of 63 elements, and modern periodic table consists of 118 elements. Next, now see Mendel's periodic table based on the Mendel's periodic law, and modern periodic table based on the modern periodic law. So, कुछ से लॉ है ये देखना है. Properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. Properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. Now see, Mendel's periodic table based on the Mendel's periodic law. Properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses, and modern periodic table based on the modern periodic law. Properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. देखिए next one difference. Next, now see Mendel's periodic table, and this table based on is based on Mendeleev's periodic law. Mendeleev's periodic law. Properties of elements element are periodic function of their atomic masses. Now see, this table is based on modern periodic law. This table is based on modern periodic law. This table is based on modern periodic law. Properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Now see next one. There was no space for inert gases and the radioactive isotopes. ध्यान में रखिए Mendel's periodic table में क्या होता है? There is no space for the inert gas and the isotope elements. The table contains all the elements including inert gases and the radioactive isotopes. So there is a space for a place for the inert gas elements and the isotopes elements. Listen, तो लिखिए there was no space for inert gases and radioactive isotopes. Now see, the table contains all elements including inert gases and radioactive isotopes. This is the difference between Mendeleev's periodic table and the modern periodic table. Okay, we'll stop here. We continue on the next session. Stay safe, stay in from University Public School, Aurad, Shahjani.